Well, I have never read the Quran. Muammar Gaddafi gave me the Quran, but I didn't read it. But when I hear people quoting the Quran and explaining it, like my niece was doing, I find a lot of similarities with the Bible. Then I say, abantu bano bawukanira wa? Because I find the substance to be quite close. And what I am liking most these days is all the religious groups seem to be correcting the mistake which was here in the 1960s. You know, in the 1950s and 1960s, there was the idea that in some of the religious groups that you didn't have to be rich, you didn't have to be prosperous economically. God would be happy with you still. And that's where I differed with the Scripture Union, of which I was president that time, in 1965, because I said no, because they were quoting the Bible. There's a portion in the Bible which says, look at the birds of the air. They neither sow nor harvest, but God feeds them. And they were quoting that to say that even if believers don't work, God will somehow provide for them. But I rejected that line in the Scripture Union, in the church. I said no. In the book of Genesis, it is clear that God created man last on Saturday and gave him dominion over nature. Said, establish dominion over nature. In other words, control nature. Use the creations for the good of God, but also for the good of humanity. So when I hear the way you are preaching now, this is really good. You are helping your people, our people. We are harmonizing the messages, because if we the reformers, we the freedom fighters, if we say mukole, work, and then some other people are saying no, it doesn't matter, even if you don't work, we are going to confuse our people. But the way we are moving now, I think we are really harmonizing, getting together. I would therefore like you, the leaders, to thoroughly grasp the line of the NRM. In the 1960s, our differences with some of the people was on the issue of the elite, abasoma, okubeera obulungi, and then the masses remaining in poverty. Our line was no. Exactly the words we keep repeating. Bona basome. Bona bagagawale. That was our line. From the beginning, that's where the difference was. And that's why actually some of the people were calling us communists. They were saying Kaguta's son has become a communist. Why has he become a communist? Because he's saying that all people must be well. And they were saying in nature, in life, things, not everybody can be well. One of them showed me the fingers. You young boy, you look at my fingers. Do you see that they are not the same height? I said, yes, sir. See, in life, that's how things are. Some are short, some are tall. Some are rich, some are poor. I said, no. we should have all equal opportunities and use them to provide prosperity for everybody. So that's why in the villages we talk of like this parish development model. Where you come from, where either you are born, where you have influence, I encourage you to know how many homesteads in the parish are there. Like in my village there, Kaumu, in Makulubita, when I last checked, we had about 1,200 homesteads. Now, I told the people there to make sure that each homestead gets involved in the money economy and they get out of poverty. I don't want a situation where some people in the parish are all right, others are not all right. I don't support that. In Ikisozi, I have 2,035 homesteads in the 9 villages around my farm. When I started with them more than 30 years ago, they were all democratically poor. Tebalina kizibu n'obwavu, very comfortable. I would come there and find them sitting in the morning in the veranda, say, "Muli mutya nti tuli awo. Muli awo mukola ki? Nti tuli awo. Nti esente muzijja wa? Ate munange tuziraba." Then I said, no, this is not acceptable. It needs a lot of patience. Kubanga olina okuyingira mu birowoozo by'omuntu ono alowooza ki? Kulwaki kitala abantu asobola kuva mu bwavu? You must penetrate their psychology. Don't just come and shout and oh yeah, what? No. Olina okuyingira mu birowoozo byabwe olabe ekimusibye kiki. So the 9 villages there, as I speak now, they have all moved. I think out of the 2,035, very few are. When I go there, I will check. The next time when I come, I will give you a brief. They have all the homesteads. Many of the homesteads have moved.